Hi friends, just thought of showing the work cabinet which I built recently. This is a two-side cabinet and a work table, a closable work table. So the dimensions are 4 feet height and 5 feet length. On the left side we have racks which can hold up to 12 such plastic trays. So it can hold 12 trays. And in the center we have 4 racks which can also be removed and arranged based upon the height requirement. And on the right side we have 3 racks here. Even this can be removed and arranged if in case of bigger items has to be kept. And on the bottom we have 3 racks. And the workbench, this can be folded and closed like this when not in use. So on the right side, this beading is to hold the work table, and on the left we have a hydraulic stay to hold it even stronger, and also have a magnet here to hold the workbench when it's folded. So it has a inbuilt power unit. So basically this is made of 18 mm plywood, the bottom part and the top part, and the remaining parts, the side walls, doors, and then the internal partitions are made with 16 mm MDF, and the internal racks is made of 6 mm MDF, and the longer racks are made of 8 mm plywood. And the whole base sits on 8 mm plywood at the back again, and it's fitted to the wall with around 14 2-inch screws. So you can see the screws here. The most MDF part, it comes pre-laminated. For the plywood areas, I've used the wall top vinyl stickers, which is available in Flipkart. I'll mention the link in the description. So it is used for almost all the plywood areas. You see. For the work area, we have still not decided how to cover this, whether to paint it or use the same vinyl sheet or to use the mica sheet, as this area will get dirty, once we start working. So we want something which can be easily changeable. So we still haven't decided on what to go, which material to go with. So the work area, if you see, it is 2 feet in total. So the front foldable part is 1.5 feet, and the back area is around 6.5 inches. So totally it is 2 feet. So we have plans of installing a mobile mount here, so that we can make videos of items we make on this table. So once the mobile setup is done, I'll upload a separate video on how it is set up along with the lighting settings. We are looking on a light setup to be fitted here and here, so that it gives a focus light when we work on minute things on this table. So we still haven't thought of which one to go with. So once we get that ready with the mobile mount, we shall post a separate video on how this is done. So thanks for watching. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments.